Patenting is a way of protecting ideas against possible counterfeiting. But in addition to the protection use, patenting can represent also a huge commercial opportunity for a company, because if it is well managed, it can generate very good incomes and revenues for the company. In particular, patenting is very interesting for the companies, for example, that don't want to exploit themselves the ideas or the invention. So they decide to sell the patent or license the patent to external subjects. Another aspect that is very important is that if you have IP asset, you can have a good image towards shareholders, business partners, investors that can see that you are very strong on your field and you are competitive and your expertise and technological knowledge is very high. And at least having a patent can offer the company the opportunity of getting back the money they spend for doing research and getting the invention. If you decide to patent or have IP assets, you can get fiscal, for example, benefits from the government. A good example offered at European level is the patent box, which is the opportunity of managing your IP assets through licensing, for example, getting fiscal benefits and the taxation. Patenting is not always the best solution to guarantee the exploitation of intellectual property. A lot of companies decide, in fact, not to proceed with the patenting procedure for many reasons. One is, for example, related to the cost. Protecting through a patent requests a lot of money. Another point is that companies, for example, consider their ideas as an opportunity and not as an invention, so not as something that is suitable for a protection through a patent. And in addition to this, a company can decide to postpone the decision to patent or not after having checked if the market is ready, if the product is ready, if the customers are ready. And the last point is that some companies decide not to patent because they consider that if the know-how remains internally, nobody can copy them, nobody can counterfeit them. So this happens mainly for SMEs in the manufacturing sector who decides to keep their secrets internally instead of patenting. If I register a patent, after a period of time, it becomes open. Everyone can see it and therefore can copy it. If I keep my secret inside, nobody can do it. So I am safe.